up, guys? Back at again with another video. This is a DIY install video of installing your factory mirrors on your 350Z. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video and show you guys how to change these mirrors out. Alrighty guys, so first step to removing the mirrors, this is the driver's side. You don't want to pop this sucker right out. I'm just using the flathead screwdriver. Alright guys, so after you pop that out, you're going to want to remove these two plugs, and they should pop out pretty easily. Let me put you guys down, give me 1 second. So I was lying to you guys when I said you had to remove these. First, you would, instead of removing these, you would have to remove this, I guess, clip or whatever off first.
Yeah, this before.
She's done this before. I've never have, because she owns a Z and I don't. Well, I do. She's owned a Z for over a year now, so she knows a little bit about them. So this comes off pretty easily. All I did was use the flathead, unclipped it, well, pressed on this side on these plugs and pulled it right out.
Why is it safe?
Alright, next you want to get a 10mm ratchet or a wrench, whatever you can fit in there. I'm just using this 10mm ratchet. And you're going to want to remove this screw and this screw. Actually, this side, I lied to you guys, just use a Phillips head screwdriver.
That's it.
Thank you. Make sure you put your bolts somewhere or you won't lose them, like right here. Alrighty guys, so the next step after you remove your window switch and your two bolts in there, you're gonna want to come to your door handle and you're gonna remove this little thing here, and behind that should be a little screw. So I kind of just shoved the screwdriver in there, take it out. There was this rubber piece. Let me see, hold on. There was this rubber piece right here. You just push off the side, kind of fell down in the door, but that's all right. You're gonna be removing the door, and then then there's a little screw in there that you just gotta remove with a Phillips. Fuck. Sorry guys. Then there's a little screw in there that you guys gotta remove with a Phillips head. Oh my god.
It was gonna happen one day.
This is gonna fall in there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, I did it without the screw
Well, it's
dropping.
because it's a magnet, so.
Alright.
Here.
Alright, now you guys should be able to remove this door.
Wow, es fuerte.
Shit.
Es fuerte.
Alright. Alright. Okay. Come over here. So now, kind of just leave this kind of hanging, I guess.
Be there.
Oh yeah, this was supposed to be there, but it kind of just fell out there. So now we can remove these three bolts. Yeah, let me see, fly ahead.
Like a performance surgery.
And voila! The old ugly mirror is now removed. Now you want to get your OEM mirror and put that one back on. So with the OEM mirror, you have this little clip here. So that way, I'm assuming this is what adjusts your mirror. That gives it power. So now guys, you're going to put this right through there.
There.
Alright guys, alright.
And then you, like it?
And then you want to get this plug and connect it. That way your factory move. Then you want to connect this clip. That way your factory mirror can move around. So that way you can see without having to get out the car and adjusting it. Or rolling down the window. Alrighty guys, I had to go over to Lowe's real quick to grab these nuts.
Got him!
No. And I use 11mm to kind of bolt them right on. After that, you just plug this in. Well, I think I already showed you guys that. After you put in those nuts, you just repeat the process backwards and you're good to go on the driver's side. Alrighty guys, so I made like a little hack that to a point where I can just pop off this door panel off. What I did was, just like the other side, I removed that screw in there and that little rubber piece that sits right over here. I took off that bolt that was inside there. I jiggled the door panel off just so slightly, that way I can remove this plastic piece, and I was able to get to my mirror. And just like that, should be able to remove. Alrighty guys, so you want to grab your OEM mirror, align it correctly, accordingly. You want to plug in that plug right there. After that, you just get your nuts and put them back in. Make sure you put all three, guys. I'll go get the other ones. Oh, you got it.